kitchen set. How unique is this? Look at this chair. Wow. Welcome to East Park Mall, Lusaka, Zambia. I'm in a furniture store called Sikale here in Lusaka, Zambia. Let me show you around. Incredible furniture pieces. So those of you who are building in Zambia, if you need furniture, this is the place to look. Let me show you. Look at this set here. And all these pieces are beautiful and excellent quality. They have rugs here. Look at this furniture. So my sister is here looking at this furniture. This is Sister Charity. She's a pastor. She has her own YouTube channel, and I'm going to give you the details. She's here shopping for furniture for our apartment in Lusaka, and I'm sure she's going to tell you more about it. So look at this. I love that. Wow. Like this whole setup is just incredible. Look at this too. Yes, this is real wood, not fake stuff from wherever you're buying your stuff. Come to Zambia, come and see real wood. Oh my goodness. This is the rustic style. Oh, it's carved. Oh my word. I mean, like where else do you find furniture like this? Look at the table that goes with it. So people who associate Africa with poverty, you need to stop it. And I'm showing you why, okay? Look at the beautiful furniture here. I feel like a kid in a candy store. I don't even know where to start. Look at this set. If this isn't beauty, I don't know what is. Everything is priced individually. And I'm trying to zoom into that price over there. Look at that sleigh bed over there. Let me go find it. How beautiful is this? That's the price. So that's like $1,000 for this bed, I think. But it's gorgeous. So this is all high-end stuff. There's nothing plastic looking in here. Look at that. My eyes are feasting on all of it. So this is a shop in Lusaka, Zambia. For those who are building, come visit them. This is not a paid ad. This is me just feasting on the beauty of the furniture that is in Zambia. All right. Look at that. So it looks like a whole village here. This place is endless. Look at this beautiful table. Oh my goodness. So look at these tables, end tables. Look at that furniture, a table, and of course, look at that beautiful carvings there. Everything is finished with a luxury touch. Again, this is in Lusaka, Zambia. Oh, is this stonework? Yes, I'm still going. Oh my word, what is this? So my friends are picking furniture for their apartment. Wow.
That's the winner.
This is beautiful. It looks like a mahogany type of...
No. And the doors we are putting are like this.
Oh my goodness. So it matches. And you're picking that table as well. This is gorgeous. Wow. Oh my word. You have exquisite taste. Look at this beautiful dresser. And there's a coat rack here. Wow. Oh my goodness. Kitchen set. How unique is this? So my friends picked this set and I think it's stunning. Wow. Look at this chair. Wow. the strip mall where the furniture store is. You know, this is Zambia. Sikale Deco, that's the name of the store, and it's at East Park Mall. And there's Migma, and East Park Mall is one of the biggest malls in Zambia. This is another hardware store. When you think of Africa, is this what you think it looks like?